In today's world, your customers live on their phones. If your business doesn't have a mobile app yet, you're already one step behind your competition. At Axe Alpha Tech, we build powerful, user-friendly mobile applications that help you connect with your customers anytime, anywhere. Whether you need an app for e-commerce, bookings, education, services, or SaaS, we design and develop it from scratch, fully tailored to your brand and business goals. We start by understanding your idea, audience, and vision. Then our team turns that idea into a clean, modern app with smooth navigation and great user experience. We develop for both Android and iOS, using modern technologies and best practices to ensure your app is fast, secure, and scalable. Need logins, payments, chat, push notifications, or custom dashboards? We integrate all the features you need, so your app doesn't just look good, it works for your business. Before launch, we test everything carefully: speed, performance, and real-world usage. We fix bugs and polish the experience. We can also help you with App Store publishing, ongoing maintenance, and updates, as well as new features as your business grows. Our goal is simple: to turn your idea into a professional mobile app that helps you get more customers, engagement, and sales. So if you're ready to bring your idea to life, upgrade your existing app, or move your business to mobile, we're here to handle the full technical side for you. Let's build an app your customers will love to use.